Why community is everything in Web3 projects. In the evolving digital landscape, one truth is becoming undeniable. Community isn't just a component of Web3, it's everything. As we transition from Web2 to Web3, the shift is profound. Web2 thrived on centralized control, where few held the reins of power. But in Web3, the script is flipped. Here, power is decentralized, which means it's distributed across the community. Ownership isn't reserved for the few, it's accessible to all who participate. It's a new paradigm where the community doesn't just use the platforms, they own them, they govern them, and they shape their futures. Trust is another pillar that Web3 redefines. In Web2, trust was often taken for granted, placed in the hands of centralized entities. But Web3 operates differently. It's systems where transparency isn't optional, it's inherent. Every transaction, every decision is open for the community to see, verify, and hold accountable for. Trust in Web3 is earned, not assumed, and it's the community that bestows it. The value proposition in Web3 is equally transformative. In the old web, value was often extracted from communities, monetized by central platforms, but Web3 turns this model on its head. Here, value is created by the community and for the community. Through tokens, NFTs, and other digital assets, participants are not just users, they are stakeholders, benefiting directly from their own contributions. Innovation in Web3 is not top-down, it's grassroots, driven by a community that collaborates, iterates, and pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Open source principles empower every individual to contribute, to innovate, and to propel the ecosystem. This isn't just an evolution, it's revolution powered by collective intelligence. And at the heart of it all is identity. In Web3, communities are more than just clusters of users. They are vibrant, self-organizing entities with shared visions and values. They are where digital identities find meaning, where individuals connect on principles that go beyond the screen, and where belonging isn't just felt, it's forged. So why is community more important in Web3 than in Web2? Because Web3, at its essence, is community-driven. It's where power of the collective redefines the every fabric of the internet, shaping a future where everyone has a stake, a voice, and a role in building what comes next. This is the promise of Web3, a future where community is the cornerstone of progress, and it's a future that's already unfolding. Do you need help building a community? You know where to find us.